Dr. Barbara Fair, and I'm Associate Professor here in the Department of Horticultural Science, and you can see that we love trees. We love to get up in trees, we love to prune them, we love to take care of them, we love to plant them properly. So I want to tell you a little bit about my class, Trees and Grounds. In our class, we learn about trees, we learn how to maintain them, how to plant them, and how to care for them in our landscapes. Trees are a valuable resource, and without trees, there really is no life on the planet. Don't let anybody else tell you any different either. So in Trees and Grounds, we not only talk about trees, of course, but we also talk about landscapes in general. How much fun can you have in the landscape when you're out there mowing? Well, if you know what you're doing, you can have a lot of fun. It's hard work, but it's really worthwhile. One thing that we do here at NC State is we teach you the science behind landscape care, so that makes you a cut above the rest when it comes to landscape maintenance. You won't come out of NC State being just that mow, blow, and go guy. You'll know what you're talking about, you'll be the professional that we know that you can be, and you'll have the background to make that all happen. So in our lab class, for the Trees and Grounds class, we do a lot of really cool things. You'll get to learn how to climb a tree, and you'll get to come up in a tree. We'll teach you the safe way to operate the chainsaw, hand saws, you name it, the tools of the trade. One of the most important things is soils, and we're going to learn how to take soil samples and how to manage soils. How can you protect the landscape plants that you want to save when you're out there actually putting in a patio or doing some construction work on a side? Because it takes only a second to get rid of good, healthy soil, but it takes a really long time to build a healthy soil. In lab class, we'll also learn how to calculate how much fertilizer you need to put on your plants, how you're going to do it, the best way for each landscape job in particular, because one of our biggest, most important resources is water. So we want to make sure that you're applying chemicals to the landscape in a safe and accurate way. And we'll teach you how to do that. All right, so we're also going to learn about slope, which will help you determine how much soil you may need to cut and fill in a particular landscape job. We'll learn how to put in patio using pavers. We will learn how to build retaining walls. Now let's get back to the trees, which of course is one of my favorite things in the world. We are going to teach you how to prune trees as well as woody shrubs. You'll also learn how to maintain herbaceous perennials, which is a totally different side of the landscape. All right, so I think I'm going to come out of the tree now, although I don't really want to because I kind of love it up here. It gives you a bird's eye view of the world. It's just a fun place and a cool place to get perspective on life. So I hope you'll join us when you decide to come to NC State. Come to the Department of Horticultural Science and see all of the cool, fun things that you can do and still have a wonderful career in doing that and be a professional in your industry. Thanks a lot. See you soon.